ready, you're going to be in the video probably. These are LED rope lights, and they are waterproof, and they are also battery operated. Okay, so they are for exterior and they are also for interior lighting. So when you get the package, this is what it comes like. It comes in a roll just like this. Alright, so in your bag are going to be 2 of these little pieces. They are tiny, and you only need 1 of them. Okay? So what you do is you take that and you stick it right in the end here, and then you plug the other end into your battery pack here, and you turn it on. Okay? Now you can control the different colors from here. There's 20 colors in all. And then they also flash and blink, and I think there's 19 different modes on here. Anyway, they're very easy to install. The first thing you want to do is clear all of the areas that you're trying to put these in and clean all the surfaces. So there's no danger of plugging these in the wrong way. If you plug them in backwards, they just won't work, and you just unplug them and spin them around. That's it. It's really that simple. So I'll just unplug this, spin it around. I'm going to put it in backwards and show you that it won't turn on. And then all you gotta do is spin it back around, and then it turns back on. So you're not going to break anything. Just turn it back around if it doesn't work right immediately. And there will be an extra one of them tiny pieces in there. Don't be afraid that you have an extra piece. It's just there in case yours breaks. Whatever. So we're going to take you guys through a couple installs, but we wanted to show you something up close that you might not get a really good look at on the installs. Is that this is how you decide the length. So you roll it out to the desired length that you want, and then you go to the copper strip closest to where you want it, and you can just cut right down that copper strip with a nice pair of scissors. Make sure they're a nice, decent, sharp pair of scissors, and you just cut it, and it'll still light up the rest of the way all the way to the plug. Alright, so in addition to cleaning the area off and dusting it, right prior to installation, you want to clean the entire area with alcohol. On the back of each one of these is a 3M sticky, and it's just a double-sided tape. You just peel it off and stick it down, but make sure it is where you want it to be when you stick it down, because it ain't coming off. And if it does come off, it ain't going back on. Just stay patient with this stuff. It's very sticky, and you just want it to be where it is when you stick it down. That's it. That's the key. It's simple, but it can be irritating if you don't take your time. And just press down firm on everything when you're done. Make sure you got a nice seal the whole entire way.
It's all over the place.
And then next, I'm going to let the Command Strip Ninja show you how she's going to secure that controller.
Alright, so you want to clean the surfaces where you plan on putting your command strips. I'm using the Velcro command strips. I'm just making sure when I put it on here, I put it on so that you can still slide the back off. So you can still slide the back off there. I don't know if you can see that. To take my other command, Velcro, and I just line it up. I give it a little click in the middle to hold it on there. Pop this off. Line it up. And then push it down. That's an easy way to make sure your Velcro goes where you want it to, so you can see where this lines up. And I just pop that off of there. Hold this for 30 seconds. Deal. Then just take it, line it up, locked in place. That baby ain't going nowhere.
Yep, and if we need to at some point in time, we can just put some zip ties on that extra little bit of wire. It's not a big deal. A zip tie or two will tighten it all right up.
Yeah, just to clean it up. And it's all done. I'm Sam.
I'm Dan.
This is Eva.
And this is Gunny.
And we hope you like our video, and we'd really like for you to hit the like button and subscribe.
And watch this video here. We're here. Wherever I put it.